Welcome back to another episode of the Van Man. In this episode we're going to fit the skylight and the ceiling fan. So there was no actual template for the holes that we had to cut. So we took some measurements first of all for the roof window or the skylight, and then for the ceiling fan. So after cutting the cardboard template, we marked the ceiling and then just build a hole or two, and then use a jigsaw to cut the holes in the roof, and that's where we were able to have correct sizes and everything fitted in nicely afterwards. And this is what the ceiling fan and the skylight look like from inside. The fan is, you can open the hatch, but you can operate without the hatch open if you want to. And it has 3 speeds for exhaust, and then you can also have it blowing in. It's two different speeds for coming in. And this is the skylight. It also has a light that is enough at night time just to have that on. I don't have other lights installed yet because I haven't got the overhead cabinets. The other lights go under the cabinets. I just have my 4G antenna up there to be able to get a better reception here. It's got a walkout curtain, and then it's got a box screen, and you can have nothing, which is not normally what I have when it's closed. It's like that. If it's a hot day, I close the blockout curtain, and when I have the hatch open, usually in the summertime it's only open at night when it's not so hot, with the box screen closed. But yeah, it is the exhaust fan, which is also a blow-in fan, and the skylight. Now, if it's not a very hot day, if it's only like say 22-23 degrees outside, it does get hot in the van. But if I open the skylight and close the box screen and put the exhaust fan only on low, it will suck out the hot air from in here and suck in the cool air from outside. If it gets hot like 26, 27, 28, then the air in the roof of the car is too hot. But on temperate days you can have a nice exchange of air in here just with those 2 implements.